lifestyle lovers, happy Wednesday. I think it's hump day today. This is the first day of the weekly vlog. I have not been picking up the camera at all, lifestyle lovers, because I've been sick. I've been battling a cold. I had 2 COVID tests last week. One I had on camera with you guys, and the other one I actually had after Thanksgiving, because I just wanted to be sure that I didn't have COVID, because I was feeling so bad. And both of them came back negative. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you guys for all of your prayers. But I'm still not 100%. I'm probably about 85%. And it's probably due to the reason that I haven't been able to actually rest. Because I've been working, you know. I've been dealing with interior design client, as well as I've been working my full-time job, which is where I'm headed to now. I have to go into excuse me. I have to go in the office today. So I'm pretty much getting prepared for that, and I just thought that I would go ahead and start the weekly vlog. So I'm kind of out of breath because I'm putting on my boots. So I'm let me turn you guys around. So I'm getting ready to go in the office, and I just put on my boots. It is finally cold here in Florida. So I'm just going to, let me set you guys right there. Okay. So these are some old boots. I don't know who they're made by. Artero Cheyenne. Some old boots that I think I got from a Dillard sale years ago. So this is pretty much my outfit of the day, lifestyle lovers. Real casual. I have on some thick knitted blue, navy blue pants. Of course, my brown boots, and then the shirt is from Zara. So all of this stuff is old. It's from a couple of years ago. Most of you guys know I don't really buy clothes simply because I just have so many, and most of my money kind of goes into my house and home decor and home renovations and stuff like that. I rarely ever go shopping. I think the last time I really went shopping was when I went on a cruise back in February before COVID, and I think I did a little bit of shopping when me and Babe start dating, you know. But other than that, I don't really buy clothes. So but yeah, this is my little outfit of the day. I also wanted to share this with you guys because I was thinking about sending it back. I ordered this quilt from Amazon. And so I just kind of did the layering on the bed. But I think I'm going to keep it. One of the reasons I was thinking about sending it back, because I didn't like that. It almost looks like crush material, but it's not. It's it's actually, is it velvet? I don't know, but it's made by Tahari Home, so it has the pillowcases, the shams, I guess, that came with it. And this is how it looks. But I just wanted it to layer my bedding. It was about $60, and I think I'm going to go ahead and keep it. So if you guys are interested in this, I will link it in the description box. But it is just a 3-piece quilt set by Tahari Home from Amazon. And I've been purchasing quite a bit of things for the room. You know, just some decor. I'm going to add some pictures right there between the pendant lights. One of you guys advised that I should add something right there, and I do agree. So that'll be here, I believe, tomorrow. What else did I order? I ordered a vase from CB2. I ordered a bowl from Z Gallery. And I ordered a rod because I'm going to do some curtains. So I'm going to share all of that with you guys this weekend. I'm going to do a haul this weekend so you can see it collectively what I purchased. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to head out. I just wanted to go ahead and start the vlog. Still going through home renovations as well. The floors are not done. The stairs is actually what's left to be done. And that's just a whole dilemma. So you guys have to check the video out on that, but whatever. So yeah, we're just going to get ready to head to the office. Good morning, lifestyle lovers. Happy Thursday. Today is Thursday. It is the second day of the weekly vlog. So I just dropped Mookie off to school. I'm actually headed back home. I am working today. I'm still getting home renovations done. So I need to stop by Home Depot and grab some materials before I go back home. They should be done today. I'm hoping and praying. The only thing left to be done is the stairs. And the reason it is taking so long is because I actually had to wait on the stair nose to come in. I had to order them online. And then, you know, when they came in, we had to do some finagling. So, you know, but hopefully, prayerfully, it'll be done today. So I'm just going to grab these, some quarter round from Home Depot. Shout out to whoever told me to try the caramel apple spice. It is so good. I tried it yesterday in the grande. So this is a venti because it was so good yesterday. It was so soothing to my throat as well. I'm trying to get over a cold, so I'm not 100%. Let me see. Let me just find a parking space right quick. So, oh shoot. Well, let me park right here. So, let me see. Chat. So I'm not, I'm not 100% feeling better. But hopefully I'm trying to get there. I'm still, you know, have congestion in my chest and all that stuff, cold in my chest. So yeah. So I have like a new drink, or I think it's probably just for the holidays. I don't know, but it's good. So yeah. So I'm headed in Home Depot, grab some quarter round, and then headed back home to get started working. I have all of my clients' items in the back because I have to finish my client bathrooms and bedroom today. She has guests coming in for the weekend, so I'm gonna have to do that later as well. You know, life has just been, it's been busy, and I've been trying to kind of get myself back to 100%. And then I need to make an appointment to get my hair done because these faux locks have had it. It's time for these to come out. So yeah. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I just got a package. I'm probably about halfway through my day, so I'm home working, getting renovations done. But I just got a package that I ordered for the bedroom that is gonna go above my headboards. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I'm actually going to do a haul with everything that I've been buying for the bedroom, which is, what did I buy? I ordered some curtains, but I don't think they're gonna be here the next month. I may even cancel that order if I find something better. I ordered some curtains. I ordered a curtain rod. I ordered a bowl from Z Gallery. What else did I order? Seemed like I ordered something else. I probably shared it. Oh, I ordered a base from CB2. So I'm just probably gonna do a haul this weekend, sharing everything that I ordered for the bedroom, and then I'll do a styling video. But these are made by Uttermost. And they're just, let me see. Yeah. Now it says set of 3, but I only see 2. Let me see. Okay. So let me just come back a little bit. So this is it. This is how it looks. And it says set of 3, but this is only 2. So this will go above the headboard. So I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of that. If you are watching the vlog, you know most of the time I do my sneak peeks in the vlog. But I will do a haul just showing everything that I have for the bedroom. But that package just came in. And I believe the curtain rods come today as well. I have to check the tracking on that. But just wanted you guys to see it. Hi, lifestyle lovers. So it's a little later on in the evening. I think it's probably about 5 o'clock. I'm in the line at Zaxby's getting me and Mookie something to eat. He's over on the passenger's side, knocked out, as you can see. So I'm getting us something to eat and I'm headed to my client's house. So I have to finish installing the bathrooms. Most of them are done. It's just one that needs to be done. And what else? I just left Target, so I picked up a mirror for the powder room that I ordered online on Target, and then another picture. So I'm just going to give her a choice of some pictures. There was one picture that I wasn't really feeling, and she wasn't feeling it as well. So I'm going to give her the option to change those out. So she'll have 2 options with the new pictures that I have. One is from Target, one is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And yeah, hopefully I'll be done by 8 o'clock. So I'm just going to finish the bathrooms, install the bedding in her bedrooms, and I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of that. And that's pretty much it for this day. I'm still feeling under the weather. I'm thinking I'm going to make a doctor's appointment because I'm thinking I need some antibiotics to clear this cold out. But yeah, so after we get something to eat, we're headed to my client's house to finish the installs. Lifestyle lovers, so today is Friday. It is the 3rd day of the vlog. I'm just sitting here with my coffee and working. I didn't get in till probably about 11 o'clock last night, so I didn't finish with my client till probably about 10 or 10:30, and we got home at 11 o'clock. And I'm still not done because some things didn't work out like I expected them to. So I have to finish that up this weekend, which are the bathrooms and the bedrooms. And some stuff still didn't arrive as it should have when I paid for expedited shipping. So I might need to contact them for a refund for my client as well for the expedited shipping. But anyway, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm still not feeling 100%. I have cold all up in here and all in my chest, and it's kind of coming out. So I think I'm going to give my girlfriend a call. She's a natural herbalist, you know, just for some advice for some natural remedies. I'm trying to avoid going to the doctor because I don't like taking medication. So I'm going to give her a call and see what she suggests. Other than that, that's it, lifestyle lovers. I apologize for my low energy doing this vlog, but I'm not feeling real good. I still haven't, you know, done any of the Christmas decorating for the kitchen or my coffee table. So I do plan to do that this weekend. Home renovations are completed. Stay tuned for a video on that. And also, I wanted to share with you guys an item that I purchased from Facebook Marketplace. So I'm gonna just show that to you guys right quick before I close out the vlog. Okay, lifestyle lovers, this is what I wanted to share with you right quick before I close the vlog out. I have a Vitamix high performance blender. So I was originally looking at the Ninja blenders on Facebook Marketplace, but I end up coming across the Vitamix. It is a brand new. This thing is, it makes soups, it makes peanut butter. I haven't used it yet, but it comes with a like a book to tell you. Is this a recipe? I guess it's a recipe book. I haven't opened it yet, but it tells you all of the different things that this blender does. This blender is $550 and I paid $100 for it. Brand spanking new. So I can't wait to use this. I just haven't had time, and of course I haven't been feeling well, but it does so many things, so many things. I don't even know all what it does, but the guy was trying to explain it to me when you know, when I was purchasing it, and I told him, I say, I know I'm getting a good deal. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I have a few packages arriving today, some that should have came yesterday that didn't come. So there will be a haul coming up once everything gets here. So, you know, I do have some stuff coming up. I just gotta get back right and, you know, just find the energy in order to do it. But I did want to share this with you guys, because when I'm looking on Facebook Marketplace, I be on a mission. I have an intent, and I know when I'm getting a deal. If you did not see when I talked about the vacuum cleaner, I have the LG cordless cord zero vacuum cleaner. $700 vacuum cleaner I got for 50% off. So I mean, I'd be on a mission. But so yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And of course, when I use it for the first time, I'll probably do it on camera as well. That's pretty much it for this weekly vlog. I hope everyone is having a happy holiday, and you know, hopefully I'll start to feel better and get some stuff done. But I'll see you guys on the next video.